walking bush at Animal
Where
Kingdom.
are we?
Animal Kingdom.
Animal Kingdom.
We're at Animal Kingdom.
So there was a tree and it came to life and started walking?
Yeah.
Whoa, is it super tall?
Ah,
What else about it? Was it scary or not scary?
not scary.
Not scary.
pretty cool.
Right? Pretty neat, huh?
We're here for the second day in Disney and we are at Animal Kingdom.
Yep. Emma, back up.
Whoa. Rhinoceros iguana. That's the cool thing about Animal Kingdom. There's so many animals here.
Yes, there be.
Time and you
Do
missed
you want to
out.
ride that one?
Say, what do you think about Everest, yes or no? Why not? You're going to get a splinter in your
sure?
chin, boy.
Why? Do you think you could scream with us? We'll
Everyone
all scream
screams.
together. What do you think? Not gonna do it?
Not going to.
Right, not this time.
Okay. Whoa. Okay, I think that's Emma. Waving, waving, waving. Okay, they're going in.
Did you see me? I screamed Xavier.
Yeah, I'm screaming so loud.
I know.
Watch it, watch it.
It's so loud. Look.
Oh, yes, I can talk.
I'm going to wait with Xavier.
Yes, we're gonna ride it again.
You're gonna go-
we're gonna use Steal Xavier's Fast Pass ride for it.
And Sage.
It's a little over
And
2
Emma.
hour wait time. A lot of the rides here are 2 and 3, up to 3.5 hour wait times right now, which is crazy.
So let's go. It's Fast Pass
Let's
time.
go.
Come on, Xavier. Let's go.
Bye, bye.
What? People that are older than me, than like 10-year-olds, 7-year-olds, 1-year-olds, 3-year-olds?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's go
Hey,
play.
middle ages too.
Where are you going to play? Okay. Keep going.
Wow, oh there it is. Come on, let's go. This way? Okay, go. Wherever you want to go.
Yay! Giving us some shade?
Yeah, come in, Mom.
Okay, here.
Guys, they couldn't have made this experience any more authentic.
Very authentic Indian experience here.
Wow, they really are
Get through,
committed
guys.
to
Come
this.
on, get through. Walk around. time we've been in this section before. It's called Valley of, what's it called? Pandora Valley. I'm going to show it to you because I really have no idea how to pronounce this. Wow, what's
Well,
this?
This is all the Pandora area. We haven't been in here yet.
Pandora?
Avatar, yeah.
Avatar. Wow. Pretty. Yeah. Let's go walk down. Pretty cool area. We're headed to the Pandora ride. Which one is this one?
Navi River Journey. I don't know. I don't know what it is. It sounds like a river journey.
So you think we'll maybe be going in a riverboat?
No, I think we're going on a mountain hike. Me too!
You do too? What do you think? What do you think we're doing?
We're doing that mountain hike!
I like that move.
This is kind of nice though that it's indoors.
Yeah, yeah. Look at the wait line for the stand line.
A 2-hour wait.
For standby. And it feels like we're part of it. That's always comes to the side.
It's pretty. It looks pretty cool though. Is this that said that? Oh, Mom, do you get claustrophobic?
Oh Lord, here we go. Just right now, set it right now. The whole ride is not. This part is.
Right? So I think this is new since we've been here. This little walking path is very nice. Birds. Lily pad. Look, he's making it by hand. Is that cool? You see, he's making a monkey. That was a good question. Is that cool?
Experience bumps and sudden jolts on your safari adventure. To ensure a safe and
There's another one coming up right behind you. We'll hop on that one. Just make sure behind that yellow line, those gates are going to swing close towards you here in just one moment. Position, and you're not holding them up in any way, shape, or form, because you're not Rafiki. They are not Simba. This is not the Lion King. So we're off to a really good start. So over to our right-hand side, you're going to see an animal there. That's the okapi. The okapi has striped hind legs that kind of resemble a zebra, but they're not related to the zebra at all. They're actually the closest relative to the giraffe. They are Patterson's eland. They're the tallest of the antelope species. They can be 6 feet tall. The shoulder. Likely is a male because it's solitary. Males are actually kicked out of their herd at a relatively young age of about 13 or 14, and they start showing a bit more aggression in their behavior.
what was your favorite today?
The weather was great.
The weather? The which one?
Everest.
Everest? What do you think,
Everest
Sage?
always solid.
Mine was also Everest.
Mine was definitely the safari. I love that. What was your
What was your
favorite?
favorite?
I don't know.
Playground.
The ice cream? The playground?
Playground!
The ice cream?
No, I mean the ice cream.
Really? And it was great. Animal Kingdom's my favorite because I love all the green and the animals.
Yes, it's good. It was nice. It was crazy crowded, but it was okay with the fast passes, tolerable.
Yeah.
One ride was kind of broken for a while, so we thought we weren't going to get to go. We did, so all's good.
That's
We're done.
All right.
Penny Phil.
See you soon.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.